How to use ChatGPT for coding. As a software engineer or a programmer, are you aware that you can use ChatGPT for coding to develop any line of code? Welcome to my tutorial. I'll take you to ChatGPT, an open API. We'll use this chat.openai.com. We'll get to the code, and we'll be able to write to use ChatGPT to demonstrate that we can use it for coding. Many people normally have lifetime challenges, like maybe you have a mortgage, you want to calculate your mortgage. Maybe you have units, unit converters, you need to convert any meter to 1 meter to centimeters, or maybe 1 meter to inches, or maybe loan calculation. So such issues are solved by programmers who normally draft line of codes that are programmed to ease those tasks. So we'll come here, write a PHP code to let users convert from any length and vice versa. So I really wanted to demonstrate that ChatGPT is able to it can be used for coding. And we can see it will be able to develop us the line of codes. And now I'm sure the developers and the software engineers, your task will be easier, since you'll always use ChatGPT for consulting. We can see it gives us to convert to create functions of 3 parameters. We can see meters to centimeters to meters to anything. And after it finishes that, we can see it goes ahead even to explain to us to define the arrays in length in units and their conversion factors. It gives us the PhD. It continues. This is been auto generated. We can see that it's really that ChatGPT can be used to code. We can change this query just to affirm that what we did. We tell it to write using another language like Python. Use Python code to let us compare our code of your Python. I know it is taking some time to think, but I know at last it will be able to give us the functions of the 3 parameters of how to convert value and unit of measures we can see that it's giving us from meters to centimeters to kilometers to it continues. So I'm sure now the tutorial is live that we can use ChatGPT for coding. So it goes ahead to describe the code. It gives us the code, the output, and it gives us even a functionality to be able to copy the code, so that will be drafted to maybe to create mobile app. Because you find sites like these ones, these ones, people keep coming to maybe to calculate, to use these calculators, the mortgage or the loan or the unit converters, to know for different reasons, and they have a lot of traffic. So as a programmer, utilize the code, and you will be able to use ChatGPT for coding. Thank you.